On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is a paid method, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you step by step on how to make money using this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. In this case, we are using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can create an account on CPA Group so that you can find offers to promote. If you are using CPA Group, once you have created your accounts and login, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click right here, offer tools. Once you click on it, you are going to select my offers. Once you select my offers, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer to promote. You have to find a specific country where you can get offers to promote. CPA offers are geo-specific, which means you have to promote an offer to a specific country so that you can get people in that country to enter the requirements so that you can get paid. In this case, what you are going to be doing is that you are going to be promoting offers in Ireland. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here, just click on it. You are going to search for Ireland. So you are going to search for Ireland right here. Once you search for it, you can see Ireland. Click on it so that you can find offers to promote. Once you select Ireland, you are going to scroll down. You can see these are offers that you can promote to make money. You can see the first one, start your boxer short trial. The payout is $3.42. This is the amount that you are going to be paid anytime you get a lead. You can see the requirement is credit card submit. The offer is allowed on Android. It is allowed on Apple iOS. If you promote an offer like this, you are not going to earn a lot of money because many people are afraid to enter their credit card details online. So if you promote an offer like this, you are not going to get a lot of people who will be willing to enter their credit card details so that you can be paid $3.42. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then search for offers that are easy to complete. You can see the second offer is mobile install. So it means your potential visitors have to install an app so that you can be paid 33 cents. This is also one of the offers that is difficult to get a lot of leads because a lot of people might not be willing to install a mobile application. So what you have to do is that you have to find offers like this. You can see access the best gaming content. The payout is $9.33. That is a good payout. And you can see the requirement is pin submit, which means your potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers so that they can get access to a gaming content, and you are going to be paid $9.33. You can see the offer is allowed on Android. It is allowed on Apple iOS. So this is one of the easiest offers that you can promote. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then select any of the offers that are easy to promote. You can see there are many of them that you can promote. So you can just scroll down and select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. Claim a iPhone 14 gift card. The requirement is that our potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers so that they can stand a chance of winning iPhone 14 gift card, and we are going to be paid $10.27. You can see it is allowed on Apple iOS. One good thing about CPA offers is that your potential visitors are not required to buy anything, and even if they fail to win the prize, once they have entered their details, you are going to be paid. So that is one good thing about CPA offers. So now once you have selected the offer, the next step is that you are going to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, you have to click on the name of the offer. So just click on it. Once you click on the offer, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is the title of the offer. You can see this is your affiliate links. You can see the warning right here. This offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in Ireland. That is the warning. So you have to get people in Ireland to click on it and then enter their mobile numbers so that they can stand the chance of winning iPhone 14 gift cards, and you are going to be paid $10.27. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people in Ireland to click on your link and then enter their details. In this case, we are going to be using a paid traffic source. So the next step is that you're going to come on this website, adadvice.com. Just search for adadvice.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. This is a platform that you can promote your link at a very cheap cost. The cost per click is one of the cheapest, and the best part is that they don't allow bot traffic, so you are going to be getting real human beings who are going to click on your link and then complete the offer for you to make money. The platform is a self-serve ads, which means you are in control of everything about your ad. You are the one who determine the cost per click. You are the one who determine everything about your ad. So this is one of the best that you can use to promote your link. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can use the platform to promote your link. To create an account, you can click right here sign up, or if you want you can click right here open an account. Once you click on it, you are going to enter your full name, select advertiser. Once that is done, you are going to enter your email address, enter your mobile number, enter your password, confirm your password, and you are going to select where you heard from them. You can select any of these options. Once that is done, you are going to click right here sign up so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to start running your campaign. You can see they have different ad formats that you can select. You can see they have display format, pop under. If you want, you can scroll down and then select push notifications, native CPC. Any of the ad formats that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to be using push notifications. So just click right here, get push traffic. Once you click on it, you are going to give a name to your campaign. If you don't give a name, they are going to use the default name right here. In this case, I want to enter my own name, so just delete it. Once you delete it, you are going to type any name that you want. So we can type something like iPhone 14, something like this. Once you enter the name of your campaign, the next step is that you are going to enter the destination URL. So this is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to go back on CPA Grip so that you can copy your affiliate link and then paste it right here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you are going to click right here copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. If you want to add Google Analytics tracking code, you can do that, but in this case we are not going to do it, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see title. You are going to paste the title of your ad right here. So you have to come back on CPA Grip and then highlight and copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see enter the message. So you are going to paste a description of the offer right here. Just come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, you can see this is the message. Enter your mobile number now for a chance to win. So highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see please enter no more than 45 characters. So we are going to delete some of the characters. So you can see enter your mobile number to win. Let's delete this. Enter your mobile number now to win. I think this is okay. Just enter it this way. I think this is okay. Once that is done, you can see icon size. So you have to upload an image of the offer right here. To get an image of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you are going to put your pointer on the image of the offer. Once you put your pointer on it, right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save images. Once you click on that, click on save so that the image can be saved onto your device. Once you save the image, you are going to come back and then click right here upload. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. You can see that has been done. We are going to crop the image. So let's crop it this way. Once that is done, you are going to click right here crop. Once you crop your image, you can see the image has appeared right here. Once that is done, you can see the main image. You are going to click on it and then select the same offer image. So select the offer image, click on open. You can see that has been done. So what you have to do is that you have to crop it. Just crop it the way you want. So you can crop it this way. Once you crop it, you are going to click right here crop. As you can see, that has been done. This is the main image. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see tracking type. You can see right here post back request none. So just leave it with none. Once that is done, you can see select country. You are going to select the country where the offer is allowed. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to search for Ireland. Search for Ireland right here. As you can see, that has been done. This is Ireland. Click on it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, if you want to target a specific region or city in Ireland, you can click right here enable so that it will be enabled. But in this case, we are not going to do that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see technology targeting. If you want to enable it, you can do that. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the devices type. In this case, we are targeting mobile devices, so just click right here device. Once you click on device, you are going to select include mobile, so click on include. Once that is done, you are going to click on tablet include, so click on it. Once that is done, you are going to click on operating system OS, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are the operating system. Android, it is allowed on Android. There's no restriction as to which type of Android. All versions of Android is allowed, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll and you can see these are the operating system. You can see a lot of them. You can see everything. We are going to exclude all of this. Exclude all of this. We don't need all of this. All of this, we don't need Windows. Just exclude all of them. We are going to include the iOS. Just include many of them. Include many of them. Once you select the operating system, the next step is that we are going to select the browser. In this case, there is no restriction, so just leave it right here. Once that is done, you can see connection type. You can click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are the connection type, but in this case there is no restriction, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see cost per click, the amount that you are going to pay per every click that you get. You can see the default price is 0.01 cents. So if you want the default price, you can leave it like this. If you want to get more clicks, you are going to select the recommended one. In this case, I want to get a lot of clicks, so I'm going to select the default CPC. So just enter it. Once you select your cost per click, you are going to scroll down. You can see budget. You can see unlimited budget is enabled. So if you want, you can leave it like this. We have the power to stop the ad at any time, so there is no need for us setting a limit for our budget. If the ad is not getting us results, we can disable it. Once that is done, you can see the distribution method as soon as possible, ASAP. So just click right here, yes. Once you click on yes, you are going to select even. That means you want your ad to be distributed throughout the day. You don't want the website to spend your money at any time. You want your ad to run throughout the day, so you have to select even. Once that is done, you can see schedule. If you want to schedule your campaign, you can do that, but in this case we want it to run continuously starting from today. You can see that right here. Once that is done, you can see new subscribers only. If you want, you can enable it, so just leave all of this. Just leave everything. You can see everything has been enabled. Just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see impression cap, impression per user. You can see the default number is 1, which means your potential visitor is going to see the ad once in a day. So what we are going to do is that we are going to increase it 3. We want our potential visitors to see the ad thrice in a day. So once they see it thrice in a day, some might click on it and then take the action so that we can be making money. So once you select the impression capping, if you want, you can disable it. As you can see, that has been done. If you want, you can enable it. Once you enable it and then enter the figure right here, that is the number of times that a potential user is going to see your ad. So it depends on the number of times that you want a user to see your ad. If you want a user to see your ad 4 times in a day, you can enter that. Twice a day, you can enter that. Whatever figure that you want, you can enter it right here. If you also want to limit the number of clicks, you can enter it right here, enable. Once you click on it, you can see clicks per user. How many times do you want a user to click on your ad in 24 hours? I'm going to leave it with the default one, 1. I want a potential user to click on my ad once in a day, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to create your campaign. You have entered all the details, so what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create a campaign, so that your campaign can be launched. Once you click on create campaign, you can see your campaign has been created. You can see it right here, iPhone 14. You can see it is active but not delivering. The reason why it is not delivering is that we don't have funds in our accounts. So what you have to do is that you have to deposit funds into your account. To deposit money, you are going to click right here, add funds. Once you click on it, you are going to enter the amount that you want to deposit right here, so that your ad can start running on this website. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.